All right, guys, would you know the one that is real or fake here? Can you show me the ID that is real or fake here? You will never know. That is because I have been able to use one of these IDs to make another person's ID. This is what a lot of people do online. This is what a lot of people do online to make verification, to fake impersonate people, to fake identity, to deceive people. I'm making this video for 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 educational purpose, so you know how people fake IDs online to do a lot of fake, to do a lot of fake IDs to steal people's identity. So I'm going to be showing you how to turn one ID to another person's ID. All right, guys, let's hit it now. Let's hit it. Let me show you how to do it. Let me show you how to do it. Follow me now. Don't forget to follow me. Follow my page. Don't forget to follow my YouTube channel for more videos about this fake stuff online. Okay, follow me up now. Let me show you. Okay, don't worry. You can download CorelDRAW. Download CorelDRAW 2021 above. You can use the CorelDRAW 2021 above to do this job. If you need any type of graphic design, document editing, whatever kind of editing that you need, websites, if you need a website, courier website, logistic website, online banking website, whatever kind of website, I can do that for you. Just get to me on WhatsApp. Get to me on WhatsApp. All right, guys, I'm going to duplicate this. I'm going to make this ID to someone else's ID. I got this from the internet. Got this ID from the internet. So first thing you have to do right here is to change the person's name. Change the person's name. Make sure the font is exactly how this one is. I use a font like this font, even if I don't have the font. That's how they do it. That's how they do it. I think this font is very close to it. So we're going to write the other person's name. Yes, I want to change it to Felix. John. So I'm going to be cleaning up this. Okay, I can make it very clear. I'll have to rewrite everything you see here. I have to write every write-up you see here. That's going to take a long video. But I'm just going to change the name so you see how it works. I'm going to change the name and the image so you see how these guys do it. Now, I'm going to clean up the previous name. The name on that, I'm going to clean that up. Watch, click the picture, go to edit bitmap. Okay, this is the original ID. This is the original ID. So you have to come here or just press C on your keyboard to edit this ID. Press C on your keyboard. Change the size of the tool. Change the size of the tool. So I'm going to right click the empty space. The paragraph I want to use to cover this, I'm going to right click it. Then come here and click. So as I keep clicking, let me increase it a little. Let me increase it to like 200. Or let's say 130. So I'm clicking, clean that up for me. Right click where you want to continue with and click. Click. Click and click and click. So that name is gone. Let me do the same thing to the server. Right click an empty space and use it to replace this. That name is gone. So you're going to save that by pressing Ctrl S on your keyboard. Say finish editing. Actually close this photo pen. Close that. See, this name is now on top. Now on top. You don't have not to look so tiny like this. You can actually bold the font. So it looks like the previous one. If it looks too bold, you can change, you can just right click and outline color. So it won't be too bold. Do the same to this. You know, when I use the bold option, it's too bold. As it is. The same thing I'm going to do with this image. I'm going to change the photo here. Go back to this edit bitmap. I just want to remove the whole background with these two here. Magic 1, 2. I flip that background. I delete. It's gone. You just compress on your keyboard. Use that shit. And it's gone. I have to remove this. Take this out to the back. Take that to the back. Because the background had the previous background of this image had a white background. After removing the background, you can see the edges of the image now has some white stuff around the edge of the image, which means we're not going to use this image just like that. It will not show on a white background, but when you put it on the background, stuff starts showing. So I'm going to trim this image very carefully so it won't have that background. I'm going to do that very fast right now. Press F5 on your keyboard. That is the tool I'm going to use to just come here and use this tool. Easier tool. I don't want that white background. I want to manually trim the image. Just vector line you draw around the image. And also hold shift and click the image. You use this intersection tool here. Once you intersect, you'll be able to get your own image. Now, if I should put this image at the front of this ID, that background will not show. Even if the background is showing, you can actually adjust it. You can see the background is still showing here. For example, you can actually adjust it because you manually change it. So push that down. I like the parts that you want to push. I want to push this part inside. So push that down. Yeah, that's it. Let me adjust this part. You can do whatever you like with this image because you got it trained manually. As I see. Let me take this inside a little. So it's still okay. I'm just trying to make it perfect when you zoom out. So I'm going to use this image to replace this woman here. I'm going to draw a box. Then my image is going to stay. I'm going to put my image right there. That's my image. I'm going to remove that outline. I'm going to clean that female right there out of the ID with the tool I used before. Go back to this tool, press C on the keyboard. I'm going to be using another background to replace this woman's background. Let's bring that up. Let me increase the percentage to 200. So I'm going to use background to replace this image. Carefully do it so it will show. You don't have to remove the whole image. You don't have to remove the whole image. You don't have to stress yourself to remove the whole image. Make this 120. Because I want to choose a smaller background to remove this. This is the part I should be working on. Yes. Let me just remove this part. And the neck part. Okay. I think I've done that. The hair part. Let me save and see how it looks. Okay. So see the woman has disappeared. Though it's still there, but I just use it to cover the woman. Let me edit it more to make it perfect. You can see this part still has some. This part is still showing. Even this part. I think it's good now. Next thing is to make this image look like this. They should have almost the same color. This color looks too original. This color of this guy looks too original. So what I'll do right here, let me take this inside this box so I'll see what I'm doing. Press, convert this to bitmap first. If you press Ctrl B on your keyboard, give you brightness to. Let's reset that first. See how to adjust this image to look like this woman's image. First of all, it should not be too bright. Okay. Also come here. Oh, where's this tool? Where's this tool? Where's this tool? Let's just do it like this. The image is not too bright, like the way the original one came. The image is not too bright now. Matches the background of the ID. Matches the background of the ID. So you can see, if you look at the colors of this text, the guy's name, it's too dark. You can actually reduce the color to something like this. This is full black. This is 80%, 70% black, I think. 80% black. Do the same here if the color looks too dark. So it matches all other colors. So I can actually go ahead and change every single thing on this ID. Though this ID is not too clear, so I just have to change the name and the picture. So how people fake IDs online to do verification, to do a lot of stuff to deceive people. So that's how it works, guys. That's how it works. That's how it works. That's how they do it. We not even know the difference between this, if this is an original ID or this is a fake ID. You will never know. You will never know when it's well done, well edited. So ladies and gentlemen, just follow me for more updates. I'm going to be dropping more videos on this my channel. Try to follow me. Okay, try to follow me.